there has been yet another Mr. Big Daddy doing what you call exposing one of his menage tours, one of his encounters, on the internet via video. He recorded and he has already exposed it on. Whether he sells these videos, we don't know, but something tells me he sells them for good money. Something tells me that.
Hello guys, it's your girl Patience Status. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, make sure you hit the subscription box and put on the notification bell so that you don't miss any time I post a new video. Remember, I'm the queen of online gossip. So welcome to today's video. Don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment on the comment section.
Pia tutamleta hapa au kumonyesha. Lazima niulize kwa sababu Imelda wanga wanakuja hapa wana deny alafu ghafla binvu. Aya, tuko huko mbio, tunaanguka tukikimbia tukienda huko wapi? Huko Telegram. Huko Telegram. Evidence imepatikana. So I just wanted to make sure that Miss Onkei ako sure ya kwamba indeed hakuna kitu huko nje. Unaelewa? That's why unajua nimemgrill kabisa. Aya. Sasa Miss Onkei, enda sasa kwa ile hiyo ya physical. Aya, ndio huyo pitakio yamekuja. Kwa hivyo ulisema ya kwamba rudia pale papita. Acha ni mute.
Nilitumwa nikaonyeshe pitakio kama murije imetairishwa. Na mimi mwenyewe sikuwa na amani, nilikimbia, nikajivunja mguu, nikapanda kwa live ya pitakio nikamueleza pitakio akacheka sana na akamwaibisha. Kesho yake akamtukana, akamwambia ni mwanaume mgani. Anyway, pitakio can confirm that I said that to him.
Kuna kitu wanga inasemwa. Mimi tu hii nakuuliza tu swali extra. Najua judge pengine hata pendelea swali lenye kuuliza, lakini lazima tu niulize.
It's okay. Go ahead, our able Madam Prosecutor Lady Jacqueline, please go ahead. Anapendelea kila kitu. Twende nalo.
Thank you. So, Miss Onkei Kores, so tell us, what does the kidudu look like? Because what may describe in many ways. Mimi sijaiona, watu wenye wameiona kwa sababu nimesikia iko Telegram, lakini unajua mimi hata Telegram nikiingia siji unaenda.
Madam Prosecutor Lady Jacqueline is trying to ask, anataka tupatie description ya venye uliona ndio watu waweze kurelate, wale ma victims wengine waseme ni ukweli. Onkei anasema ukweli, nothing but the truth. Thank you. Take the microphone.
Sasa unajua kwa video itadanganya watu wengi kwa sababu hiyo wakati ameishikilia na ameshafanya soul shake, so it's ready to attack. So kwa hiyo ndio wanawake wengi wanaonanga, wanafikiria ni kubwa. Na pia sio ile yenye mimi najua kuna there are men wakisimamisha, they don't hold the thing, wanaachilia tu vile iko hapo, ndo unaweza pima. Lakini mwanaume mwenye anaishikilia na mkono ni kama anaisupport, ndio anawaonyesha hapo ni uongo, anaficha either anaficha for you to see the extent of the inches, ama there is no large inches there.
You guys have been asking me how I make my money. Well, yes,
wazi kwamba kamera ilikuwa na expansion mode, anajaribu kuexpand, yani kuirefusha, ndio wewe uende ukaambie pitakio kwamba ni kweli dhahiri shairi kwamba umeona msoloboko ama pipe ya msingi, ama ukipenda zaidi mrija wangu umekatwa na ni mkubwa zaidi kushinda wako. Elezea mahakama hii kwamba hiyo ndio ilikuwa idhana yake, ama kwa lugha ya Kimombo ama kwamba lugha, that was his one and only intention. Thank you.
No, hapo mimi nilimueleza sioni kama ni kubwa kushinda ya pitakio, lakini
That's the bonus I'm telling you about.
So
Ulianza kuchukua uamuzi gani kujua wazi kwamba ya Peter Kioi ni kubwa kushinda ya Awanda ama Big Daddy? Na ulikuwa hujaona ya Peter Kioi. Kama unaweza turudisha nyuma tuambie uliwahi kuona ya Peter Kioi na ukalinganisha na hiyo ukasema haukuweza kuona ikiwa hivyo. Twende nalo.
No, nilijua tu ni Masai, alafu nikajua amebeba, lakini kuna wakati Peter Kioi anakuanga akipika. Siku nyingine kuna wakati wanawake wengi tulikuwa tunamwangalia akipika na alikuwa amevaa tracksuit fulani hapo ya white, ilikuwa imejichora. Sisi wote tulistuka, tulikuwa tunamuita karibia kwa kamera, kitu tu imesimama tu hapo, imelala tu na hata ijasimama. Watu wakaanza kupima, tukapima already hata 6 feet 6 inches. So hapo tu ndo sisi tulishanga pima ni kubwa, lakini hatujaiona. Tuliona tu hivyo vile kwa mchoro wa suruali alipokuwa akipika. Alikuwa anaosha vyombo. Kama mnakumbuka wanawake tulikuwa kwa hiyo live, kulikuwa na moto, yani tulistuka sisi wote.
Your Honor, allow me to ask a further question because nimepigwa na butwa. Your Honor, nimepigwa na butwa. I am just literally picking
my able prosecutor. Okay. The floor is yours. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. So umesema mlikuwa wanawake wengi mlikuwa mnatazama Peter Kioi akiwa anaosha vyombo. Ghafla binvu muka spot something. Hebu elezea vizuri. Hii something ilikuwa nini? Na ni aje mliweza kupima hii something?
Yeye hata alistuka mpaka akaenda kubadilisha suruali juu tulimuattack. Tukamuuliza apenduke hivi kidogo, songea kamera. Yeye hata ajui ni nini mbaya. Anasoma comment section, anashindwa watu wanasema nini. But yenyewe ilikuwa kubwa. So hiyo that measurement niliona haitoshani na ya nani. Hiyo hata huyo alipokuwa akijishika hapo kwa kamera haikuwa imetoshana na ya huyu ikiwa imelala.
Okay. So Your Honor, the evidence that has been presented in court states that Big Daddy, Peter Kioi amebeba kushinda Big Daddy. Aya, Miss Sonkei, unaweza sasa rudi kwa ile story ya assault, ili tujue kama But guys, how is it possible that Kioi anaweza shinda Big Daddy? Hebu tufanye poll. Kama mimi naona ni kama also another thing, Sonkei anasema kwamba Kioi hakuwa amejua, Peter Kioi hakuwa amejua ya kwamba kitu yenye amevaa inaonyesha goods. Ama aliweka ndizi hapo ndani. Sonkei unasema alitoka kaenda kucheza.
Hapana, kwanza alikuwa na dance.
Ndizi.
Alikuwa na dance akiosha vyombo. So sisi hata tunaongoja tufikirie labda ni chupa ameweka itaanguka. It's still intact, the same location, it doesn't move, it doesn't. Yani we were there were women that were on that live, I swear. You remember? Ilikuwa 1.2k people. Na watu wakaendelea kuongezeka. Sisi
Madam Sonkei. Hii ambayo uliona kwa live na ilikuwa haijashikiliwa na haijasimama ama haijasimukwa ama haijasimbika kwa lugha sanifu kwa wale watu wa Afrika Mashariki. Nikisema kusimukwa, Lady Jacqueline, my able prosecutor Lady Jacqueline means erection. It wasn't, ilikuwa ijasimbika, lakini ile ambayo ilikuwa imesimbika na imeshikiliwa, ukijaribu kupima unakuta la asha, yani nei mafi ina nini, ina Arabic word mafi kithir. Tuende nalo.
Yes, so hiyo Kiswahili imenipita. But sasa that's when sasa niliambia Peter Kioi kwa Kimasai zote ndio nilimueleza sio kubwa but ameshikilia na imetairishwa. lakini wakati mwingine watu wakakuja wakaniambia labda alisukuma nyama nyuma au kuona.
Thank you. Go ahead. Now that's what I was going. Hapo ndo nilikuwa naelekea. So kwa sababu tulikuwa na kesi nyingine hapa kwa prosecutor wetu ambaye she's able, very articulate, eloquent, smart, the one and the only prosecutor in these social medias, anaitwa Madam Lady Jacqueline. Na ukatuambia kabisa kwamba uliona kitu ambacho kiko ni nyeupe ni kama alikuwa amefunga na rubber band. Elezea mahakama hii kwamba ni kweli ukiangalia umetembelea misoloboko mingi kwa sababu wewe pia ni mwana idara ama ni you are entrepreneur, kwamba ilikuwa ni real. Eleza mahakama hii yako na ukweli mtupu. Thank you.
Ebu rudia tena.
Guys, should I ask in English because Sonke is not good in that Swahili?
Yeah. Ask in English. Nimeona ni kama Kiswahili inamchanganya.
Kiswahili inamchanganya.
Kuona kwa WhatsApp.
Yes, kwa WhatsApp video pale. Ukiangalia vizuri na ukizoom in na kwa mafikra yako, in your thoughts and in your third eye, did you see anything like a rubber band or this thing looks fishy? Nauliza hivi kwa lugha ya Kiswahili, aliwahi kuona kimpira ambacho kimefungwa pale kwa nyama? Maana ni itikadi za mahali ambapo anatokea wazi kwamba sio lazima ukatwe, lakini unaweza ngolewa meno 6 za huko nyuma. Asante sana Sonke.
Hapo ndio nilipokueleza
Prosecutor, naomba tafadhali watu wakiingia mswati, lakini make sure
my sincere apologies. Nimemwangusha.
No, usiwaangushe, lakini wanaweza kuwa eyewitness, lakini immediately akipanda pale juu kuna kitu ambacho unaweza finya akawa muted. Thank you.
Sasa nilikuwa naeleza kuwa hiyo wakati alipoipigia kwa club alikuwa shafanya soul shake and he was holding it, so you cannot tell kama askuma nyama nyuma na akaishikilia because the hand was right there.
Kwa dhana yako ulifikiria namna gani iwe hapa wamesema judge hajakatwa ama hajafanyiwa circumcision? Kwa Kiswahili nimesahau kidogo, nimekaa Marekani mara nyingi lakini nimesomea Harvard kidogo, kwamba kwa dhana yako ama on your thinking, why would he show you to prove to another man? That's where we are going now. Thank you.
Yeah, that's what I was telling the women. That was not a message to Peter Kioi. That was, he was trying to see kama angejonga na mimi, but he found me. I was right in the club. I didn't even wanna see it. Ilikuwa like everybody might see this phone. It's, you know, WhatsApp ikifungua simu ni the entire cover of WhatsApp imefungua, like the entire phone is just covering that image. So when I saw it, it was like, oh my God, si watu watafikiria na watch porno hapa. So I was like, what are you doing? What are you doing? And then that's when akasema, no, nikuwa nataka uonyeshe Peter Kioi. Sunaona ni kubwa. So you see, I'm circumcised evil. And then I was like, okay, you got it. I'm gonna tell him. So mimi niliambia Peter Kioi imetairishwa because when I saw it, definitely there was no false skin anywhere. It was just, but it was too red. Labda alisukuma nyama nyuma.
Alisukuma hiyo kitu nyuma.
Because
naomba baada prosecutor utuwekee mlio wa kucheka. Naomba utuwekee mlio wa kucheka maana amekubali kabisa.
Ama wanaume, let me ask you, when they take that skin out, that part of your body will eventually turn black a little bit, right? Because
I will answer this because I'm a very, very able man, bila umlemavu wote, na Mungu asinijalia ulemavu wote. Naomba ni mute nikaangalie kama ngozi ya nyuma na ya mbele inafanana sasa hivi. Asante.
Tell me to think about it.
So yeah, Obange, senior counsel, chukua mic. I am tired. But guys, before the senior counsel takes the mic, so anasema hiyo kitu ilikuwa red.
Too red. So I came to think about it. Nilipoona watu kwa comment section kwa Peter Kioi wakisema labda amesukuma nyama nyuma. And then I was like, that thing was too red.
Ikiwa red hivyo,
freshly red.
Ajakatwa.
It could be Ali pull the skin back.
Alipull.
Moment of silence, guys, please. We've lost one of our Marines, guys. Nimetoka kwa choo, ni taarifa za kuudhi sana. Nimetoka kwa choo kuangalia. Nimeangalia ngozi yangu ni nyeusi na hapa mbele ni peusi. Thank you.
Yeah, so I knew I knew that was the feedback that would come, kwa sababu most times kama ijakatwa hiyo ngozi extra skin, kama ijakatwa yote, mwanaume wanga anaishika. So nke ndio sababu alishikilia, unaelewa?
Yeah.
Ndio sababu alishikilia.
Normal guys, if you are trying to kuringa na your longest thing, they will let it out and start swinging at you. He didn't do that. That's what I know they swing at you. They don't, but he did not do that. He was holding it and just showing me, and he kept on doing the soul shake. So yeah, but at that moment it's just because mimi sikufurahia, then akaniambia go and tell Peter Kioi this and this what you've seen, and he kept on sumoni matairishwa. Yeah.
Yaona niko kwa swali kwa Sonkei, tafadhali.
Chukua mic.
Sonkei, nilikuwa na kuuliza, tuliona video kama mna kiss. Ilikuwa kama asha kuonesha hizo kitu yake ama bado?
Asha nionyesha.
Nikiambia hii koti pia ulipenda ndio maana ulimkiss, nasema uongo?
Nimesema sijampenda. I said I did not want to do, I did not want to be lower down like other women wenye wametoa nguo wakakuwa recorded.
Ninaambia koti ya kwamba vile uliona hiyo kitu ndio ukapenda ukaenda kwa mkiss. Nasema uongo?
Yeah, unasema uongo. You lying from that moment, because at the kiss moment that was first a false one. I was told kiss or I pull your wig. So that's what you guys saw.
Yeah, so it was like she was being violated.
Prosecutor, it will not be appropriate for us in this high court, the most respected court in TikTok and the entire world, social media, to not allow senior counsels to cross-examine the victim here by the name Chief Justice, Senior Counsel Sonkei. Allow you or you can pull down there for the senior counsel, please, to chip in and 10 times harder.
Thank you.
Come and cross-examine Sores up to where she has just left the story, because the story is big and more interesting, and we are going to be very fair. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. So, Senior Counsel King, welcome to the House. Senior Counsel Bange, Senior Counsel Sunday, come to the House. Senior Counsel Jackie, karibuni sana. Demo wa TikTok, you the mic. But first of all, the Senior Counsels. Now, there has been yet another Mr. Big Daddy doing what you call exposing one of his menage tours, you know, one of his encounters, you know, on the internet via video. He recorded and he has already exposed it on. Whether he sells these videos, we don't know, but something tells me he sells them for good money. Something tells me that. So, so Senior Counsels, that has happened, and the victim here is Miss Queen Elena. I think she calls herself Queen Elena, a very young lady who lives in Canada. she went alifilanga free, naambiwa ya kwamba alifanya hiyo kazi vizuri sana. Mimi sijaona hiyo video, lakini wenye wameiona wanasema enyewe Elena amefanya kazi safi. Okay, so you are my senior counsels, that is what is going on. So we have very many victims of Big Daddy, and now some of them are speaking. Yeah, one of them being Sonkei.
Before the senior counsels takes the stand, I would like you to repeat the word menage what, so that I can translate.
Menage a trois, Your Honor.
Ndugu zangu wa upande wa Afrika Mashariki, menage trois inamaanisha wazi kwamba ni katika utalii wa kimwili wa kingono, wakati ambapo wanaonesha sehemu zako za nyeti, inaitwa menage a trois. Ni word from Greek. Thank you. Take the mic.
Thank you, Your Honor. So I'll ask Mr. Sunday to cross-examine the witness, if that's okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Lady Prosecutor, Madam Prince, everybody. Kindly open your mic. I think you're the plaintiff here as at now. Confirm yes. You're the plaintiff here.
I'm a plaintiff. I did not do anything, but
she is the defendant. She is the defendant.
You are the defendant.
Yeah, the witness to the defendant as well.
Witness.
You know, one of the victims of Big Daddy, in other words.
One of the victims.
Law terms, she's a pro bono defendant. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, like I've heard you narrate a story. I would say that is a story because up to now, I think unless Madam Prosecutor, you've been provided with any evidence, solid evidence.
I beg your pardon, Mr. Pande. Yes.
I will take that as a strong hearsay unless you've been provided with any evidence to this.
Okay. So guys, does anyone have the video? Mtu akona hiyo video anitumie wadau, kwa sababu mimi sitaki issues. Aya, naenda kuweka namba kwa comment section. Nitumie hiyo video wadau, hata namba yangu haitaandikika. Guys, hebu mtu andike namba yangu. Angie, thank you. Can someone write my number in the comment section? Kwa sababu hiyo video watu wako nayo wengi.
No, I think Sunday is trying to ask, is that the question you're asking? I think you're thinking like there was evidence that I have. Is that what you're asking?
Yeah, I'm told you're one of the victims. Is that right?
I have not been sijanyonga na yeye, but I was just narrating a scenario of how he lowers people to nyongaring. So I was just lucky enough to not have done it.
What if I will say that I would tell the court that you also lured to this, you attracted to this, and that's why you found yourself being a victim?
I a victim because I don't think I never did that. Sijanyonga ama sijatoa nguo zangu, but I did see him with the way he lures people to doing it. So I was just trying to tell women this is how he lures them to the actual act.
So you are informed, your opinion I think is informed because you've ever been lured to that. Is that true?
I've been lured but not done it. Well, is that all correct?
Unless I need explanations, kindly.
Then I'll speak Swahili, since that is lowering is
lowering, not lowering
yet, right?
I meant lure. Yeah, sorry, lured. Madam Senke, I meant lured, not lowering.
Yeah, so luring, that is the action of trying to what the meaning of luring?
Translate here. Tafadhali,
I know what you mean, but I want to
kidogo. Sonke ngoja kidogo. Yeah, chukua mic, Your Honor.
To be lured ni kuwa unafanywa kitendo ambacho kinamaanisha kwamba unalazimishwa ama you are coerced to do something, ama unafanya kitu ambacho umepigiwa kwa klabu, mtu anajua wazi kwamba umelewa, anakuonesha sehemu zake za nyeti, ndo na wewe uingie box ama uingie katika mitaratara yake. Hiyo ndo kwa lured.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor. So, Madam Sonkei, at least I think...
Welcome, Ruth. Welcome, Aya. Check the mic.
I'm hoping you've understood the meaning of luring. So, I would ask this again. For you to be a victim or for you to warn people to mean you've been lured before.
Yes.
If we tell the court that you were lured and you never got what you want, and that's why you're bringing this case up, will we be mistaking you?
Okay, Sandy, I think you came late. I did not bring the case up. We were asked if anybody has been in that situation with him. So I never brought any case because he doesn't have my news.
I don't mean you brought the case, but you being a victim, you are here as a witness. You know, a witness is that person who has either fallen victim of the circumstance, or your relative, or any friend, someone close to you. Is that true or false?
I'm just here to give my own experience.
We need a lawyer for Miss Sonkei Kores because sasa kinaumana.
You should not be cross-examining me like I'm the one iko na video ya nini. You can cross-examine me from what I'm saying and all that, but I did not bring the case.
I'm asking this because kindly understand me.
Kidogo tu, Madam Prosecutor, our able prosecutor, Madam Lady J, we would like you to find a lawyer, a pro bono lawyer or a paid lawyer for our senior and a victim at this moment, Sonkei. If you can do that in 5 minutes, please. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Your Honor. And also, Senior Counsel, Mr. Sunday, Sonkei Kores, Miss Sonkei Kores is also a victim of violation. Okay. I don't want to use the S word, but she's also a victim of this said person. So I just request that you be a bit more kind to a victim. You know, we have to think about
objection, my able prosecutor. There's no mercy, no rest for the wicked.
I withdraw.
Ahead.
Yeah, okay. So we need a lawyer for Sonkei, guys.
Harder. Go harder, Sandy.
Your Honor, I take this as a serious case because, you know, anything involving nudes, that's why I'm asking so much. Maybe someone might think... I
want to eat. I want you to eat. I want you to eat. I'm giving these directions. The prosecutor will forgive me for this.
Thank you.
Senior Counsel, I want you to go 10,000 times harder on a cross-examining this victim. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Madam Sonkei, confirm you came to this court the other day because of being a victim of almost the same circumstance? Unless you...
It's the same case. I just said it's the same case that he hit me in the club. That's
Thank
all.
you so much.
Yeah.
So after you seeing his nude, is that true?
Oh my God. His nude was seen 2024
Not all.
May.
There's no submission starting with the wa. Say I. Kindly.
Yeah, I say 2023. 2024
So
May.
after you saw his nude.
Yes.
This court that you saw the nude and you wanted to confirm if it's truly what you saw.
What?
Okay, I will ask again. Or you saw the nude, then you went ahead and went to him. So what if we tell this court
that... point of interjection, please, as a judge, as a Supreme High Court judge, the one and only tested judge in this social media, she never saw the news. What she did, she received anonymous call, not even anonymous, but an emergency call, video call, showing Musoloboko. Now here we hide some words due to TikTok rules. Musoloboko means pipe ya msingi, ama mrija, ama ukipenda tamtamu ya mama. Then she was surprised, she was perplexed. Why this dude calling me? That's where we stand. She did not receive any nudes. Thank you. Go ahead. Take the stand.
I think we were late a little bit. My narration was, he called me while he was soul shaking his murija. And that's where I started. Let me finish, sir. This is where I started by saying, this is how he lowered women to stripping for him and starting to do the action ya kunyonga. So aliponipigia nilikuwa kwa club na nikashindwa, huyu jamaa ananipigia aje na WhatsApp na mrija yake iko nje. So alipoona siko interested nayo, akaniambia, that was 2024 around May, akaniambia nilikuwa nataka kukuonyesha uende ueleze Peter Kioi kuwa nimetairishwa, kwa sababu Peter Kioi amenitroll kwa hii TikTok for so long calling me uncircumcised. So nilikuwa nataka kukuonyesha juu najua ni rafiki yako, uende ukamueleze. And that's when niliona mrija, he was holding it and it was very red. And that's what I was thinking. Nikakimbia tu after hapo, nikapanda kwa Peter Kioi na nikamueleza kwa Kimasai.
Short, Madam Prosecutor, Madam Prosecutor, I will translate this in English. In short, the accused here, Awanda, aka Biggie Kiparangoto, was trying to counterattack the phrase that is a Gentile. Gentiles are those people who are not circumcised. Am I correct? Am I able, prosecutor?
I think that was just like a desperate attempt to cover up what he was trying to do.
Thank you.
Yes. His initial plan was not that. So his initial
plan was to try and nyonga with me. But because he saw I wasn't interested, he changed the story to take this to Peter Kioi, tell him that I'm circumcised. So Sunday, when I was talking, I just came here to show women this is how he lower these women, someone like Elena. And he asked,
Your Honor, may I approach?
Yes, please, sir, go ahead. Senior Counsel Sandy.
Your Honor,
the victim.
Your Honor, I'm very sorry.
Thank you, guys.
I'm very sorry to say this. Maybe I'm taking it the wrong way, or people are not understanding what I mean when asking questions. You see, when someone approaches someone they have never had any intimacy with, there's always a motive behind every action they do. And being that Madam Sonkei knows that that's how he lures people into his trap, and she was being lured into this, though she never gave in, and later on she gave in later on, that is I think it was in December or January. So I think the act...
It was on May last year.
Yes, what Big Daddy was doing, like Madam Prosecutors just put it, there was an hidden agenda. That is, there was an ill motive, not just passing information to Peter Kioi through Sonkei. Because if he wanted to give information to Peter Kioi, he would have reached out to Peter Kioi directly because he has his contact. So my question is to Madam Sonkei. First, did you like what you saw? Because there are actions that took place after you saw what you saw. So did you like what you saw?
Senior Counsel, point of objection. Point of objection as a judge. I think what we see here in this case is that we as men, the male figure, we have that ego, and it's called to prove. Now, you have to understand that we have perverts. Thank you. Google that word, perverts. Thank you.
I understand, Your Honor. My question is, my question will lead to my general submission after this, because I think the actions, what took place after all this is, she went ahead. You know, if you want to condemn an act in a society, you don't fall victim after what you've seen. You condemn it. But then, Lady Sonke went ahead afterwards and was seen in some involvement with the Big Daddy, whom she claimed is luring people into this by showing them that. So if she condemned this, I think she would have reported this and never felt for it. Never fell for it.
In short, let me come to your help, Senior Counsel. In short, Senior Counsel and a victim, Sonke, did you reciprocate to what you saw? That's the question that is being put forward here. Madam Prosecutor, if I'm wrong,
thank you.
I stand all the rights to be corrected.
Okay, Your Honor. Continue, guys.
It doesn't make sense what he's saying, because I never went after Big Daddy. Ama sijui what you mean. Ama if we had any sexual altercation with him. No.
Let me go direct.
I will remember. I will still, let me, before you go, because I think you might not know what happened. So every case that happened, Big Daddy asked me, I'll kiss ama nikutoe wig. And that's what was recorded. Even Steve Nice, I remember he would try and hide so he can kiss or do anything. Like, personally, I said, Abadali, I give you a peck. It wasn't a deep kiss ama nini, but do not pull my wig off in front of a live camera. So
we want to tell this honorable court that it wasn't a kiss, it was just a peck. Thank you.
Yes.
Let me ignore that and go to the next question. So, Madam Sonke, kindly, do you condemn such characters in the society?
Oh yes, I came right away and told you guys, and all of you supported him. I came here, even
just a yes or no, kindly.
Yes.
If you condemn such characters, how do you associate with such characters afterwards if you condemn it?
I think it is due to coercion, Your Honor. I mean, Mr. Sunday, if you see the way Big Daddy behaves around women, he almost dominates them. You know, kuna venye wanga akiwa anaongelesha, like I saw him interacting with Sonke hapo San Diego, and you saw an element of dominance, unaelewa, anakuteka nyara. I don't know that that's the right Kiswahili to use, but that's why they cannot escape, you know.
Your Honor, I think for a crime to be committed, I think there's always an opportunity, kuna means, and kuna ability. So when you provide opportunity for someone to commit a crime, you should not say they coerce. So she availed herself for the crime to be committed. That is an opportunity you are giving somebody. So I don't think she will have defense on that. Because if you condemn something, you should not avail yourself around those people or for those people to commit a crime. So it means...
I don't think you understand. I'm not a victim of being a nude being taken to Telegram. I've not done any sexual with that guy, Big Daddy. You should not come here and say, oh, these and these. I am talking to any other woman that might not have done it. This is how law has been. So,
Madam Sonkei Makwei, my question was...
so you are out of topic, you are totally out of topic,
Senior Counsel Sandy, may I have a microphone for 1 minute only? I want to see that. Now, I want these guys from Colombia or from, it's called the Greek word Wakamba, to translate what I'm going to tell this court tonight or today. Kamudhiti kaketuwa kambisia kusubia. I repeat again. Kamudhiti kaketuwa kambisia kusubia. What do I mean?
So anyone from Cumberland, anyone
yes,
can
translate this, and it goes to Senior Counsel Madam Sores. I want you to translate in a very good manner. Kamudhiti kaketuwa kambisia
they are laughing in the comment section, Your Honor.
Yes. What I mean, I will explain later, but I want them to be very fair and neutral. Thank you, and I mute. Kamudhiti kaketuwa kambisia kuituwa.
Oh, okay. Oh, how dia naelewa. How dia naelewa. Sawa. Okay, so Mr. Sunday, I think maybe you can ask your last question and then we go to the next Senior Counsel. Your Honor, I have to say this, that I don't know how Big Daddy does it. Bado sielewi. Nimepata recording, nimetumiwa kwa WhatsApp by a member of the public. Your Honor, it is sad. It is sad what that young girl is going through right now. Kama ingekuwa mimi, sijui ningekuwa wapi. Yani, it is sad. So, but anyway, that is just it. It's quite sad. But anyway, take the mic, guys. Sunday, that one is Big Daddy recorded a young woman. So Sunday, ukiwa unauliza maswali, ukumbuke hiyo. Haya, wacha ni mute.
I will, Madam Prosecutor, but I'm not going against what Madam Sonkei is actually projecting, but I'm only trying to find facts in what she's saying, because for us to find, for the honor to find a ruling on this, or to give a very fair ruling on this, we have to have facts and evidence. Being that people have seen evidence, and witness cannot just jump into a court and say this and this and this happened without, there must be a motive behind everything. And some people are always coerced to stand as a witness. So we always, I always tend to think we have to exhaust all the avenues and to have facts on what they stand for. So I'm very sorry if I'm actually being so hard on Madam Sonkei, but I'm only trying to find facts on what she's saying. Thank you.
No, the judge gave you permission.
No, you are not.
Yes, I gave you permission. Thank you, Senior Counsel Sonkei. Sandy, I want to translate this Greek word. That means kamudhiti kaketuwa kambisia kusubia. What does that mean? Kamudhiti kaketuwa kambisia kusubia means kamukundu ambako katakuja kuara kanaanzaga na kunyamba. So that is what Sonkei is doing right now. Thank you.
I think I will say my submission, or because cross-examination is like not doing well with her. I think, Your Honor, with everything that when people deflect, and you see, if someone cannot support what they say, because when you condemn something in a society, when you don't like a character about a person in a society, you will never give them opportunity or be around them, because they have either ill motive or they are up to something that you don't like. If you don't like a character in a person, you either correct it by staying away, or you inform the society of what is going around these people. You inform them, you make people have information about what is going on. Now, if you are the same person claiming that you condemn such characters, and then you find yourself around those people will think you are keeping people off this person for you to have an opportunity to be with them. So kindly, if we want to condemn a character, kindly let's stay and inform the society that this is wrong by staying away from
Ellena'S senior counsel. Ellena'S senior counsel, I went to Harvard when you went to Kiambuthi Law School. I will tell you this. I just put forward a parable that says kamutika ketua kambisi ya kuitua. So what does this mean? Kamukundu ambako katakuja kuara kanaanzaga na kunyamba nyamba. This means we give Madam Sonkei, our able senior counsel Sonkei, time she'll speak out everything, because I don't see any man coming checking Tadujua Makamsolo Boko ndani ya nyumba. Thank you.
So the Greek word was never translated. That's why I never heard anything about it. Thank you, Honor.
Welcome, and this phrase is mine. It's gonna be put on Google, and you're gonna Google it. Kamutitika getua kambisi ya kusubia subia. Thank you.
Your Honor, I don't know if Ms. Sonkei can take the mic for 1 minute. Sonkei, chukua mic uongee kidogo.
Okay, my job has just started in a bit. So, yeah, I think I told you everything, how it happened. Really lowered women to doing whatever he wants them to do with him. And I was lucky enough, I did not get myself to a point of getting recorded. Getting my clothes off and doing everything. For example, Nyako'S situation or Ellena'S situation. Knowing him or whatever, it doesn't mean that you don't condemn whatever he does. And actually, that was my first encounter with him. And the first encounter was that day on Christmas. And I wasn't lucky enough. He definitely hit me in the club that night, and from there, I told you guys, after yote kuonyesha Murija, I've been telling TikTok for the longest, even in front of him, in front of even his wives. So it's not that sijawai condemn, but meeting somebody that came into your city, of course, nilienda nikammeet and I said hello to him. It was with other people involved around there. So it's not something that I was keeping him for myself or something. Hell no. Yeah. And so just any woman right out there, ujue, you can also be lowered like that, like Elena or Nyako, or maybe another person.
Before you leave the stand, can we have another senior counsel to cross-examine Madam Prosecutor, please? Sonkei?
Yeah, so Ms. Sonkei is starting work soon. However, I think Miss Jackie, if you want to ask her maybe one question, that will be okay, please. Thank you. I don't know if Jackie is there. Yeah, she's there. Yeah, there's a problem with the phone. There's totally a problem with the phone. Amejaribu with the phone. Jackie, kuna shida na simu yako? Kuna shida na simu? Yeah, Naila anauliza what happened to Elena. Guys, I'm going to put something on the big screen. Munikonfirmie kama huyu ni Elena. Nitaweka tu sura pekee. Tafadhali, 1 minute.
Secretary, please send me the video.
Yeah, it is so shocking. I think it's so shocking. But anyway, what nitume hiyo picture. The first thing I want is to confirm if the picture is her. 1 minute. So when you wanamjua Elena, hebu mniambie kama. Oh yes. So guys, senior counsel Sunday is defending Big Daddy. Okay. So let me now forward this picture to my other phone, and then I project it on the screen because I just want you guys to confirm. if indeed this is Elena. Your Honor, just 1 minute. The picture is coming.
Take your time, our able prosecutor, Madam Lady Jacqueline.
Yeah, it has arrived. So I'm going to put it on the big screen, just so we confirm that this is her, because we could be talking about something that does not even concern her. Okay. So if this is her, then this is very, very sad. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna have to shrink Senke. Yeah. So guys, is that Elena? For those who know Elena, you're here. Sorry, I was frying some food for my family. Oh, Niye. Okay. Yeah. So guys, this is from the video. This is straight from the video.
The prosecutor.
Yeah.
The video or a screenshot? Thank you.
This is a screenshot of the video. I've just taken a screenshot from the video.
Yes. Put a poll there because I know Elena and she's the one.
Okay, guys, can you guys confirm? For those who know Elena, who ni yeye ama si yeye? Ebu react to the poll, haraka. Red for yes, ni yeye. Blue for si yeye. What?
Madam Prosecutor, we have a very big case here that needs to be arranged, and we have to do preliminary hearing right now for Elena. I know a lawyer by the name Mrs. Rosso. If you can share the live with Mrs. Rosso, or you can get in touch.
Daisy and Daisy. Daisy, you can come up even 1 minute, please.
Yes.
Daisy, panda kidogo tafadhali. I've also seen 1 minute. Let me bring Daisy up.
Prosecutor, does Senior Counsel Sandy understand that now we are getting more evidences? Now we've just got evidence from Canada, Toronto.
I understand. I understand your
Where does it stand?
Yeah, so he is, I think he's the defendant of the accused, Your Honor. He is the lawyer, the advocate for the accused.
Yes, he is standing in for Obiero, right?
Yes, he is.
Oh, okay,
Standing
thank
for
you.
Damaris Obiero.
Let
Yes.
me take note to that. Thank you.
Your Honor, in the next hearing, which will be tomorrow, we will make sure that Big Daddy is present, including the co-counsels, that is Miss Damaris Obiero. So I'm going to communicate effectively to him, and he will make sure that he shows up. Thank you, Your Honor. Yeah. Take the mic, Your Honor. So,
Permission granted.
I'll go back
I would love to oversee that case. Thank you.
I'll go back on the small screen, and I'll remove that for now. Thank you. Okay, so as per the poll, Your Honor, people have confirmed that indeed that is Elena. And I don't know. Daisy, umesema umeona hiyo video. Hebu chukua mic utuambie.
Hi, mi niliona tu video about yake huyu msichana. It's just a sad story. I don't know what to say about her. It's just a shame that someone who did that anamfanyia even at this time of the, you know.
Yeah.
When she's about to, anyway. I don't know why I have to come up here, but me, I just saw the video.
Yeah, I just wanted you to comment on that.
Yeah.
Comment
My
on
own
that.
comment is that it's just a shame.
Madam Daisy, I would like you to be sewn in so that you give us an insight of what you saw in that video, please, Madam Prosecutor, Lady Jacqueline, with all due respect, if you can do it. Thank you.
Yes, Your Honor. Daisy, are you a Christian?
Yes, I'm a Christian.
Okay, so I need you to say this after me. I, Daisy Ande.
I, Daisy Ande.
Do solemnly swear.
Hiyo ingine swear.
Do swear that I'll say the truth.
I'll say the truth.
And nothing but the truth.
Nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
Yeah, Mungu nisaidie.
Asante. Aya, chukua mic Daisy. Ongea.
Jamani guys, sorry guys. Okay, mnacheka nini shwari?
Venye tunakuchanganya na kizungu. Aya, chukua mic.
What are you saying? Guys, me, I saw the video, niliona hiyo video, and kitu ya kwanza I was so shocked kusema tu kwa akili yangu, like what a poor girl, you know. She's going through this part, you know, hii part ya Saina. Last time wakati tulisikia, it's like she's supposed to be married, she's engaged, she's going to be married, and then something like this comes out. For my part, I felt really bad for her. And I feel sorry for her. As me kama mwanamke, I'm not going to body shame her or going to say anything bad about her. It can happen to anyone. Yeah, it can happen to anyone. Chenye naweza sema tu, shame on that person who just revealed that video. Hivyo tu ndio naweza sema. My own opinion.
Madam Daisy, allow us to cross-examine you because you've watched the video. Where did you actually get the video? Ulipata wapi hiyo video?
The video was shared in a group inaitwaje, Telegram, zinazunguka Telegram. I found it on Telegram.
Tukio gani lilikuwa linatokea pale?
Okay, what I will say, chenye niliona, the girl took the video herself, and I think she took that video to send it to someone, and then sent it to someone, and someone just exposed her.
Which is on your suspicions kwa kufikiria kwako ama
I don't know who leaked the video out. Sijui nani alipeana hiyo video ikakuwa inasambaa around. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know who did that.
Was it appropriate for her to do that ama ilikuwa namna gani?
Jamani, so my own point is watu wengi wananyonga. Si eti ni mtu mmoja ananyonga. Watu ni wengi wananyonga. Hata kuna wenye wako comment section bado wanajifanya wanyongangi. Wananyonga sana. Yeah? Ni venye maybe wamenyonga na watu wenye ni appropriate, wenye hawawezi wajawaanika. Ama hawajanyonga na masura zao. Vinyongi ni wengi sana. Ni wengi. So yake ikitokea eti juu yeye anajulikana, hiyo ndio thing. Unaona? Yake ilitokea juu yeye anajulikana. To just shame her out here. Lakini vinyongi hapa hivi si eti ni mtu mmoja. Ukiangalia comment section wetu wanajificha. Kama mimi hapa hivi tuseme siku moja nimenyonga na mtu nimtumie, ya? Siku moja ameweka hiyo ndio huyo amepost. So mimi ndio nitaonekana, lakini ule mwenye amjui huko chini, wale wenye wananyonga wenye amjui huko chini, mbona zao hazijatokea? It's just a normal thing for her.
Shukiwa hapa Madam Daisy ni kwamba ni anajiita Big Daddy. Sijui kama uko na taarifa hiyo, kwa sababu huyu msichana ama kipusa alikataa kata wakata, na tunajua yeye ndio anakuwa na expose ama anadhalilisha hao wanawake. Sijui utaongea lipi kuhusu hilo na mawazo yako ni yepi?
Mawazo yangu ni mimi sijaona Big Daddy akipost hiyo video, so I did not get it from Big Daddy. I don't know who just revealed that video, mwenye alitoa. Inaweza kuwa si Big Daddy, inaweza kuwa ni nani, so I don't know. Hiyo nayo wenye ilitokea, mimi niliona tu video somewhere else. It was sikuona mwenye ameishare, ni nani walishare, si Big Daddy. Sikuona jina ya Big Daddy akishare. So I'm not going to be in the part of knowing who shared that video.
Itakuwa
nimeona Big Daddy akijoin ama ni nani ama ni fake account.
Yes, na kuuliza itakuwa mimi na wewe kama jaji mkuu tumefanya tendo la inaitwa sex tour, mapenzi, utalii ya mapenzi. Nikisema hivyo sitaki kuzongea kizungu ndo TikTok is filter. Utalii ya mapenzi ni sex tour na ipatikane kwa mtu mwingine. Wazo wako ni lipi?
Tumefanya na wewe alafu patikane kwa mtu mwingine. Sitajua tu wewe ndio umesambazia huyo mtu mwingine akaiweka akaipeana sijui wapi.
Kwa hivyo jibu lako ni lipi, Madam Prosecutor? Tafadhali tupatie jibu.
Okay. I think Mr. Sunday would like to talk to Miss Daisy just for 1 minute. Yeah.
Thank you, Honor. Thank you, Honor. And my first question to her is, when you saw this video, did you reach out to this person that was exposed?
No.
So you don't know what she felt about the video?
I didn't reach to her because she's not close person to me.
So you don't know whether she's the person who requested for the video to be exposed?
Yeah, that I don't know if she's the one who requested for it.
So why would you feel bad if you never reached out to her to confirm if she actually wanted the video to be exposed?
I feel bad because after that video was leaked, she disappeared from online. So what do you think? You think from that part that she wanted it to be exposed?
Maybe because that's what to defend Big Daddy, and I think she's confirmed that she's not aware if it's Big Daddy who exposed her. So I think up to this moment, to the person I'm defending, I think there's nothing linking him to this. Thank you.
Madam Prosecutor, if you can allow other senior counsels to examine Daisy and to respond to what senior counsel Sunday has just said. Thank you.
Examine me. Tara, examine me in which way? Me, I just gave my opinion on that video. I'm not just in this thing mixed, because I'm going to tell you, Your Honor, Mimi na mambo ya Umsiana, I don't know her closely. I just know her from TikTok. We don't have any close connection. The only thing I'll say, I felt bad for her because after that video was leaked, she disappeared from online. I could think she's feeling really bad that her video is going around zenye watu wanaangalia, and then they are judging her for whatever she did.
Miss Daisy, Madam Daisy, Miss Daisy, you say that Elena is she is proposed, and seems like you know her because this is from my court clerks. They just put a submission that they don't know about any engagement and that she's ready to be married. Can you substantiate these claims that that she has been exposed by the so-called Big? Thank you.
Can I have a mic, please?
Kizungu ya nani ni strong. Sasa hapo hiyo kuna swali umesema ya mwisho, what is that? Me, I am not going to I'm not going to say I'm not putting Big Daddy as a corporate or whoever. I don't know. I said before, sijui nani ali reveal that video. I don't know. So sijui kama yeye alijonga na Big Daddy akaiweka. That one I've said, and I'm going to repeat it. I don't know.
This Madam Prosecutor is doing something, she's investigating something, so okay. I'll take on the proceedings. So I'll give her a second chance, microphone, then we go to Dramaa TikTok. Thank you.
Okay, I have a question to Daisy. I'm here defending Elena, because that picture is not Elena. These days there's AI. There's also look-alike, maybe. So, Daisy, how sure are you it's Elena?
AI kwa hizo video yake, I think I know AI how it looks like. Na venye alikuwa anafanya hiyo video kabisa, we cannot put the video here. I think everyone can do it.
Alikuwa anafanya nini?
Venye alikuwa kwa hiyo video, kuanzia kuonyesha kutoka sura akienda kwenda chini, anarudi kwa sura. We saw complete it's her face.
And
yeah?
you said
it was her face.
Yeah, you said alikuwa the video, she's the one who recorded the video.
Yes. Yes.
And then umesema haumjui. And how do you know that Elena is engaged?
I don't know her personally. I meant namjua TikTok, but I don't know her personally. I think that is very clear.
And how do you know that she's engaged?
That one also came online. She's the one who just came on, said it. It's an online thing which was said.
Interject, Your Honor.
Please go ahead. I've seen a cancel. Sandy.
Madam Daisy.
Yeah.
You saying so well she was engaged and was about to do a wedding?
Yeah, that's what we heard online, and that's what she said online. So the mambo yenye imekuwa online.
Now you are blaming someone that exposed this, someone that posted the link to the linked this to Telegram. That's what you said.
Yeah.
What do you term? Let me. My next question. What do you term kunyonga? As in, do you classify it as cheating or having fun?
From my own point, mambo ya kunyonga hapo sasa, mimi sijakuwa sexual therapist hapa ya kucheat na nini. Anyway, relationship therapy.
Utanyonga na stranger with someone you have a feeling with.
There are some people who nyongas with someone they have a feeling with from the first day. Maybe wameongea kwa online, akampenda akasema okay, wacha tuende tunyonge for fun.
My question is straight. My question is very straight. I need a straight answer kindly to guide this court. Utanyonga na mtu you have feelings with a or unless you are paid for that kunyonga.
Kuna watu wananyonga for fun. Si lazima ukue feeling na mtu. Yeah, si tunanyonga na someone.
So if you are engaged to someone and you are about to do a wedding, will you nyonga with someone for fun?
Umeniuza mimi personally?
Yeah, that's a question to you because you are still
okay, for me personally, nitanyonga na Pornhub, si na mtu mwenye na nini. Na si hata
haujanijibu kindly.
Yeah, but it's still the answer.
Someone who is engaged, would you term kunyonga na mtu mwingine na uko engaged as cheating?
Naweza answer hiyo.
Ni yangu, swali ni yangu.
Kindly.
Yeah, I can nyonga with someone and niko engaged.
The court order the court. So demo Facebook is standing for Daisy. I think ni pro bono lawyer wa Daisy. Go ahead.
Ralph Zadi, I'm going to just answer something.
Can you call me with my title?
Ralph
Judge,
Zadi.
Honorable Judge Zidadi.
Judge, your honor. Okay, the thing is, I wanted to say is, before I continue answering a lot of questions, that video, from my own point of view, it could be some older videos. Yeah, it could be an older video, we don't know. It could be an older video she did with someone.
Your Honor, the mic was mine, and I was cross-examining Daisy, and I think she's
deflecting. Sandy, please go ahead. Permission granted.
Thank you. She's actually misleading the court because she's deflecting. My question was, I think it is a very straight question. You were given time to explain what you had and what you know about the entire video. So my question was, and my question is, would you refer to kunyonga na mtu mwingine ukiwa uko engaged as cheating?
My lawyer was answering them on Facebook.
Them on TikTok. Answer. Chukua mic.
Oh, thank you so much. Okay. Mi siwezi prefer kama cheating, hiyo ni having fun.
Having fun. So would you have fun when you are when your fiancé is around you, because it's having fun, if it's not cheating, will you do that with your fiancé around you?
No.
So it's cheating.
It's not cheating kwa sababu
it's flirting.
Yes.
Flirting is cheating.
It is actually cheating.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming to my point. Now, would you have mercy with someone who is cheating if they're exposed?
Yes.
So if you can cheat on your husband and still want to be forgiven for that?
Yes.
Okay, so you support cheating?
So it has to be okay, let's define what's cheating. When you say, like you are just saying cheating, and me cheating on my husband, it could be because of something that I don't have from my husband, or I'm just like, there's many things that can
that is not definition. That is a reason.
There are so many reasons for cheating. So many reasons. So many.
I think you are here for the wrong reason, because I think you are not actually helping us in this, because when you came up, I thought you were giving you are coming to be as a witness, but since you even started, because you don't know what happened, and you've never reached out to the victim to find out if she is the person exposed, or if she contributed to this in any way or the other.
Sunday,
I think you wanna yes, kindly.
Sunday, I'm sorry, I don't know which seat you are here in court, so I'm just going to say, Sunday, I was just passing by, I saw that video, it was sad. Then, I was asked, so if I can say anything about that video. So my opinion, I just gave my opinion that I find it really bad that when someone is in a relationship or in some flirting manner with someone, and that person trusts that person, and then at the end of it, you are being sent this video, and then you bring it on Telegram for the world to see, shaming the other person. That's why I was here. I just came here to just say, from my own opinion, it's just a pity that we can see that there are some people like this one outside there.
Order in the courts. Order in the courts. I want to give directions. So what Daisy is saying, she's saying that she saw the video and she was like, what? So she's giving testimony in the court that it is indeed true that these things happened. Now, Sandy, go ahead and cross-examine 10,000 times harder.
Your Honor, Daisy, just a minute. Your Honor, I think she's not giving clear information, because she says she was not pleased. And she also said the only person who recorded this video was Elena, of which she never wanted to find out. She never asked if she gave out this video to be exposed, or the husband, the alleged fiancé, found out that she did this with someone else and exposed the video. So I still don't see anything attaching my client to this. Thank you, Honor.
Okay.
I'm gonna give this platform to I'm gonna give this a stand and microphone to Demwa TikTok, who is sitting for Daisy as a lawyer. Senior counsel, Daisy, take the microphone, please. Thank you.
Demwa TikTok, take the mic and tell us what you wanna say.
No. Si side na Daisy. The thing is, kitu ya kwanza, huwezi nyonga na mtu mwenye huna feelings na yeye. Lazima unyonge na mtu uko na feelings na yeye. Tena kunyonga si kugonjeka, mbona mnamhurumia? These things zimekuwa. Si ati ni ugonjwa, sijui mbona mnamhurumia. Kama alinyonga. Na the thing is, huwezi nyonga na mtu mwenye hupendi. Na hata kama
Thank you, advocate.
Madam Prosecutor, your honorable Madam Prosecutor, our able prosecutor in social media all over the world, Lady Jacqueline, you have to realize that when you're prosecuting this thing, you clearly see that Senior Counsel Demwa TikTok is against Daisy. What's your take? And please, can you give us directions? No, you are not giving us directions. Submissions, please, on this. Thank you.
Okay, Your Honor, one thing that Demwa TikTok has said is that wezi nyonga na mtu humpendi. So I think I'm going to, I will put that on a poll. And this year you will talk in a minute. Can I pull that to a poll very quickly, guys? Can you, unaweza nyonga na mtu humpendi ama wezi?
Permission granted, please.
Yeah, so thank you, Your Honor. Unaweza nyonga na mtu humpendi ni red. Wezi nyonga na mtu humpendi ni blue. Okay? Twende nalo, guys. Yes, unaweza nyonga na mtu humpendi ni red. Yeah. Unaweza nyonga na mtu humpendi ni red. And then the opposite ni blue. Your Honor, that poll is just showing us that TikTok is full of vinyongi, Your Honor.
Including Your Honor.
Our able prosecutor, I want us to be very neutral.
Yes.
We've been caught in some cases that is not acceptable in humanitarian things. And again, we pick up and move on, right?
Yes.
So now, let us get the final results. Then we can deliberate. Deliberate on
48
that.
people say yes, you can nyonga with people that you do not like. It's possible. Yes, you can. And you, yeah.
Madam Prosecutor, I want the CIO to talk. Then, Senior Counsel Sandy defend himself because seems to be losing this case terribly. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. I
think she's gotten a phone call. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here now. So I was objecting on what Demwa Facebook was saying because anybody can nyonga with someone mwenye ampendi, but for different reasons. Kuna wale unajua, kuna wale wanatumia that opportunity kupata do, which tunajuanga kama kesi ya Cindy alikuwa na nyonga. Pia Cindy alikuwa sorry, wezi niambia kwa mfano nimeleta mfano wa Cindy alikuwa na nyonga na 100. It doesn't mean watu wote walikuwa na nyonga na yeye alikuwa anawapenda. So it was just for reason zake apate do. So mtu anaweza nyonga na mtu mwenye ampendi, you understand, because of some reasons. I don't know if you can hear me.
Yes, Jackie, we can hear you loud and clear. Yes.
Yeah, so I object that. Hakuna mtu anaweza nyonga na mtu mwenye ati anapenda peke yake. You can nyonga with anyone, especially kama sasa Big Daddy. Sorry. Like Big Daddy, tuseme uko una call with Big Daddy and then all of a sudden anatoa hiyo kitu yake na unaona imesimama kabisa. Kwa wale ladies ambao wanapenda mjulus, inasimama kabisa, itakupatia nini?
Objection, Your Honor. Objection, Your Honor.
Na itakupata utajikuta umekuwa kwa hiyo aja kunyonga na yeye. Utajikuta umenyonga na yeye, sio tunampenda but umeona hiyo kitu imekuzizimua wewe. It's possible to nyonga with someone that you don't love.
But the thing is, kila mtu akinyonga anakuanga na benefits zake. Unaweza nyonga ukipenda pesa yake na ukipenda pesa yake, amua umependa pesa tunyonge, so ni kama nakupenda. Na yeye kila mtu ananyonga akiwa na chenye anaona. Mimi nanyonga nikiona pesa, wewe na unanyonga ufanye nini? Urelease. Sawa.
So yeah, the main point here ilikuwa ni mtu anaweza nyonga na mtu apendi, which umekuja vizuri.
Wewe nyonga na mtu una feelings na yeye?
Hapana. Tumesema sahi mtu ananyonga juu ya pesa. So umesema ama akikuonyesha hiyo kitu.
Order the court. I'm going to direct this.
Yes.
I want all the senior counsels to engage. Please, Madam Prosecutor, allow them to engage. Thank you.
Yes, Your Honor. So twende nalo guys, tuendelee.
Ya, kwa hivyo dem, ushakuja vizuri, umesema naweza nyonga juu ya kupenda pesa, si umependa mtu amekwambia I'm offering you 100,000 kuja tunyonge, na wewe unakubali unaenda kunyonga juu ya pesa, not because umependa huyo mtu. Umeelewa?
Nikuulize swali. Na once umenyonga juu ya pesa alafu upate video yako imeanikwa, utakasirika?
Sasa si alirisk kuanikwa because huyu ni mtu alirisk kuanikwa because first of all anajua Big Daddy ni munyongi na Big Daddy ni muanikaji. So alijua definitely atakuwa muanikwa.
Objection
alijua unless ya TikTok juzi Sunday.
Accepted.
Just a minute kindly.
Wakili wa Big Daddy ndio huyo ameobject.
Just a minute kindly. I think you are misleading the court because you are bringing something that no one has confirmed whether it was Big Daddy. Just say as alleged. Kindly use that term kindly.
For me, I think it's Big Daddy because Adem mwenyewe haezi jianika. Anajianika kujuia nini in the first place. Alafu kitu ingine tunajua Big Daddy ni mnyongi na ni Big Daddy ni mwanikaji. Ushamwona ameanika mwingine.
Objection, Your Honor. Objection, Your Honor.
Prosecutor Sandy is in order to object anything right now. What the CIO is talking about. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Thoughts cannot be facts, and what you think does not amount to crime and cannot be treated as an evidence. It's just like an hearsay. However strong it is, it cannot be an evidence, and it cannot amount to a crime. So kindly don't mislead the court. And when giving an example, don't use Big Daddy because that is my client unless you have an evidence to that. Kindly.
And I still have a question
to you. My senior counsel, let me answer my senior counsel's demo on Facebook, and then I'll nitakuachia. So Sunday, according to the maybe akuwahi jua story ya nani Big Daddy kuanika Nyako. Juzi kila mtu ako TikTok, so maybe ameingia TikTok juzi akapata kimtu ako famous, ako na do, maybe akamdanganya na do, aka give in. So maybe pia yeye hakujua, which bado tunamsummon akuje kwa ofisi yetu pia tufanye uchunguzi, atuambie the truth kama alijua huyu ni mnyongi na ni muanikaji ama hakujua. So bado investigation.
Na mbona kila kitu ya huyo unasema maybe but ya nani uko sure bet?
Sorry? Come again?
Mbona za dem uko maybe
sorry Lady Jacqueline, I'm going to request Lady Jacqueline one thing. Kuna mtu anatumia jina yangu hapo Sudo Daisy and 3. Please can you mute that person? Could be really please. Lady Jacqueline, kuna mtu anatumia jina yangu hapo Daisy and 3. Thank you so much.
Okay, my question is
Your Honor, kindly, I think DCIO have done enough investigation and I would like to cross-examine her kindly.
Sorry, Your Honor. I was speaking with my daughter. Now, can I say this? If anybody has Ellena'S phone number, please hit my DMs with it or send it to me on my WhatsApp. The number iko kwa comment section. Watu wetu wataandika number hapo comment section. Yeah, so if you can send Ellena'S phone number to me, nitashukuru sana. Kama uko naye, kwa sababu I think and whatever tomorrow, ideally Elena I should talk to Elena. Hata kama tu ni kwa simu, inafaa at least nimwongeleshe nisikie what does she say about that.
Madam Prosecutor, can I say something?
Yes, go on, Idigori.
Yes, I think this DCIO is she's wrong. I think she's accused, not only her, but I think people are accusing Big Daddy for nothing because there is no enough evidence to show that Big Daddy is the one who leaked that video.
Yes.
So you guys should stop. You guys should stop that saying that it's Big Daddy who did that. So kama hamna evidence, musi accuse mtu tafadhali. You should stop
accusing. I have presented the evidence that we have so far. Now one witness is here, na ni Sonke.
It's not because Big Daddy did that.
The second witness is Nyako, ni vile yuko hapa.
Yes.
So ni witness ngapi unahitaji ujue ni Big Daddy amefanya hivyo. Na kitu ingine nimesema, we are waiting, we have summoned Ellen to come and tell us kama ni nani alifanya hivyo, kama ni yeye ama
objection, Your Honor.
Okay.
Let me finish. It's not because Big Daddy did that with Nyako and did that with Sonke.
And he did that with many other people, Mr. Idingori.
Exactly. Thank you. It doesn't mean that sasa anafanya hivyo na kila mtu, because we've seen a lot of videos huko kwa Telegram.
Anafanya na kila mtu.
Listen, we also have other people who are doing that. So for you guys to come here and say it's Big Daddy, I think it is very wrong because you don't have enough evidence. Utakuja useme, you can accuse someone when you have evidence, but if you don't have evidence, I'm sorry.
Point of correction, don't say please anafanya na kila mtu, niko na namba ya Big Daddy ajenyonga na mimi.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Yeah, it depends on the person. When Big Daddy is calling you, akupigie, akuambie, hebu tunyonge, and then you say, okay, you do it. Yeah? There is nobody forcing you. He's not forcing you. Hakuna siku yenye Big Daddy anaforce mtu eti tunyonge kwa phone. So you cannot say anafanya na kila mtu. Me personally niko na namba na hajanyonga na mimi.
Daisy, has Big Daddy ever asked you to nyonga with him?
No.
Okay, sawa.
Kwa sababu wewe si type yake,
I have a question.
DCI, I have a question. I think Madam Prosecutor, I think DCI should take a stand so that we cross-examine her, because I think she did an investigation.
Absolutely.
Shallowly.
Yeah, absolutely.
She did an investigation shallowly.
Yeah, DCIO.
You cannot come. You cannot come to court.
Should I swear in so you cross-examine her? Should I swear in?
Because I think she's accusing everyone kunyonga na kila mtu, inamaanisha amenyonga mpaka na kila mtu mwenye ako hapa. So I think everyone should attest to this. So I think she's spreading rumors in court kindly. So I think should take the stand. So kindly swear her in.
Okay, DCIO, are you a Christian or Muslim?
I'm a Christian, Your Honor.
Okay, so say this after me. Repeat after me. I, DCIO Jackie.
I, DCIO Jackie.
I do swear.
I do swear.
That everything I'll say before the court.
That everything I'll say before the court.
Will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help me God.
Will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help me God.
Thank you. Okay. Senior Counsel Sunday, take the mic.
Thank you so much, Madam Prosecutor. Thank you so much, Madam Prosecutor. To this, I will confirm you said amenyonga na kila mtu.
Okay. From the evidence that
yes or no, kindly. Yes or no, kindly.
Amenyonga na watu wengi, si kila
no,
mtu.
Thank you. You are now changing.
I'm correcting that.
Why would you correct
that amenyonga na kila mtu, but amenyonga na watu wengi.
So how many things are you going to correct on the statements you made?
Just one.
Just one.
Na watu wengi. Yes.
Just one.
That one yenye nimesema ananyonga na kila mtu. Yeah.
So confirm you said we have two witnesses that can attest to your that can corroborate your statement. Yes or no?
Yes.
That is Sonke and Nyako.
And Nyako. Yeah.
So you are saying Sonke has ever nyongad with my client?
Sonkei has never nyongad with your client, but your client aliingia kwa inbox yake akampigia na video, hata alishtuka ni nini anaonyeshwa.
You are misleading the court. Kindly confirm. I'm only trying to direct you on your statements. You said very well. You stated very well that amenyonga na kila mtu, then ukaruka hiyo. Ukasema tuko na 2 witnesses wenye wamekuwa victim. So wamekuwa victim of kunyonga.
Yes.
So amenyonga na Sonkei, that you are confirming your statement.
Nitaiweka kuwa alinyonga na Sonkei.
No, it's either yes or no. It's either yes or no. Whenever if I need a statement, I'm going to ask you to give a statement kindly.
Kunyonga ni yeye alishika kitu akanyonga mbele ya Sonkei.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Umeelewa?
Hakuna kunyonga back. Kunyonga ni
Big Daddy alinyonga. Yes, alinyonga na Sonkei.
So confirm you have an evidence to kwamba amenyonga na Sonkei. So can you confirm to the court providing the evidence that alinyonga na Sonkei kindly before we move to the next question?
Evidence is a victim.
Yeah, he presented it in court. He said
the victim said when Your Honor, when I cross-examined the victim,
he was
Madam
shaken.
She said,
so he was there, stuck
she said
naked,
ajainyonga na
playing with his
Big Daddy. Confirm that.
Come again? Because
when I was cross-examining Sonkei, Madam Sonkei, she confirmed to the court that ajainyonga na Big Daddy. Confirm that.
Yeah. Ukuelewa. Yeye ajanyonga na Big Daddy. Big Daddy alinyonga na yeye.
Your statement. Yeah, I think what Big Daddy did, Big Daddy alimuonyesha what alikuwa a pass information to Peter Kioi. Is that true or false?
Hapana, alikuwa ananyonga. Yes, amesema alikuwa anasukuma.
No, sir. Can I
yes or no?
interject?
Thank you. Kindly do.
She said alikuwa ananyonga akishika juu na chini hivyo.
Madam Sonkei confirm that Big Daddy alinyonga na wewe?
Hakumuonyesha tu hivi akamwambia angalia alinyonga. Alisema alishika akivuruta sisi inaitwa kufanya nini? Wacha Sonkei atuambie.
I think you are misleading the court, Madam Disia. You never did your research well and you never did your investigation well.
Okay.
You did.
Can you give Sonkei time aeleze vile Big Daddy alikuwa ananyonga kama alimuonyesha tu ama alikuwa ananyonga?
I think
because we all know the meaning of kunyonga.
Order in the court, please. Order in the court, please.
Madam Disia.
Questions, answers, please. Questions, answers, please. Please.
Madam Disia. Thank you, Your Honor. Madam Disia, I think you came here very clearly, that you came out very clearly saying that amenyonga na kila mtu.
Can I interject, please? 1 minute.
Yes, please go ahead.
Sandy, let me confirm your statement. I gave 2 instances. The first instance was the first time when he ambushed me with his Murijo, and I did not. I was in the club. No, let me finish.
Wait, let her.
The question is
let me finish, Sandy. No, you're all over the place. Your question and everything, you're just not even in decorum with everything you're asking.
Let her answer you whether alionyeshana tu ama alinyonga.
I am giving 2 instances. Nilisema ya kwanza alikuja akanionyesha, and I was not happy. I was in a public space, and he changed the story to, oh, I want you to tell Peter Kioi I'm circumcised. The second instance, he called again with his dick, and he was asking me, can you show me your thighs? Can you show me your breasts? Open up, take your clothes off. And I refused. So yes, he tried. I'm going to mute. I'm actually working, but I'll...
Madam Sonkei. Question is, kindly just a minute, Demoa. The question is, alinyonga na wewe ama he tried?
Madam Sonkei alikuwa ananyonga akishikashika hiyo kitu akikwambia
you're misleading the witness.
Yes,
ama alikuonyesha tu. Hizo ndio vitu mbili tunabishana. Alinyonga akishikashika ama alionyesha tu.
No, alikuwa anashikashika. When he asked me, take off your clothes, let me see your boobs, let me see your thighs, he was trying, and he was holding his dick. He was literally sexy.
Alinyonga?
Yeah, alinyonga.
Alinyonga na wewe?
Yes.
That
But
is
how
going to lower me to
anaweza
take off my clothes and to do what Elena did. And I did not do.
nyonga aje peke yake kama we hunyongi? Hiyo ni kukuonyesha. There is a difference between kukuonyesha na kunyonga. Kunyonga ni
You are out of your
alikuwa
mind. You don't
anamuitisha
understand shit.
outness hiyo akishikashika hivi. Do you know mwanaume kweli? Mwanaume hata akiona tu sura peke yake ananyonga naye, hata na mapua hata na macho.
Si hata mwanaume anaweza kuwa akitembea na ashikashike.
Madam Dise, I still have several
alikuwa
questions for you.
anamconvince akimwambia Aki, please wacha ninyonge na wewe nionyeshe thighs, na anashikashika ndio aweze kurelease.
Madam Dise, I still have so many questions to you because you are misleading the court kindly. You are changing everything. I think when you give your statements, you change as questions come to you. Now, my question is, you've changed so much. Kunyonga inamaanisha nini?
Let us know.
Kwako kunyonga inamaanisha nini?
Kunyonga? Kunyonga ni hey Jesus. Kunyonga ni kushikashika hiyo kitu.
No, hiyo si kunyonga, hiyo ni kushikashika mpaka ukam, that is kunyonga.
Hiyo ndio kunyonga, yes.
Thank you so much. So confirm that your witness ambaye ni Madam Sonkei aliona akikam.
Maybe atuambie kama aliona akikam ama alikata simu ama alikata simu kabla hajakam ndio alishtuka, so atatuambia.
I think you are here as an investigator who did a very good work, but now you going back to your witness whom you had you interviewed before, you interrogated before coming to court.
That's what I'm saying. Because
no, did you interrogate? No.
Alishtuka hiyo kitu. Hakuwa na expect kitu kama hiyo. So hata kama ni wewe uweze expect kitu kama hiyo na ungoje huyo mtu amwage.
My question is so clear. Did you interrogate your witness? You know, you cannot just do a shallow interrogation then come and mislead the court. Did you interrogate your witness?
I did, and so I told you we have everything in our desk.
Okay.
So you can stand on behalf of the witness and affirm everything you're saying.
Senior Counsel Sandy, can you allow DCI to explain?
Your Honor, Senior Counsel Idingori also would like the mic. Thank you, Your Honor.
But I want also to let the CIO explain what she investigated first. Thank you, and I'll mute.
DCIO, are you there? Or should Mr. Idingori take the mic?
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor. Okay, as I said before, we did our investigations on this Ellena'S case, and we found out that we are still ongoing with the investigations to know whether it was Helen who exposed it or Big Daddy. But according to the witness so far that we have, so far from Sonkei, Sonkei is the witness, and the Nyako, it shows that Big Daddy amekuwa akinyongesha madem online. I don't know for what reason, but hiyo ndio tumefind out amekuwa akinyongesha madem online, not 1, 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, but wale wamejitokeza kukuja kuwa witness ni Sonkei, na ile tumeona kwa macho yetu yenye kila mtu anaweza witness ni ya Nyako. So this is the reason why nasema Big Daddy anaweza kuwa the one because of the witness presented so far. So this investigation are still on, and we are waiting for Helena. We have summoned her. We are waiting for her to come and tuambie if she is the one who did this or Big Daddy. But so far kesi bado inalalia kwa Big Daddy so far. As per now kesi inalalia kwa Big Daddy kulingana na witness zenye tuko nazo.
Yona, may I approach? My question to you still, you say we investigated. You and who?
The DCIO's office.
The DCIO's office. So who was assigned who was assigned to this case in particular? Who was doing the investigations? Because I don't want, I'm defending a client whom you are really causing a very big damage to emotionally, and I would say you are misleading the court, because when you say we, to mean you don't own the investigation. Is that true or false?
We own the investigations because this is a cyberbullying. This is iko kwa DCI, yeah. So we are the ones tuko na hiyo kesi. Hii hata police case ni ya DCI because it's a cyberbullying.
So in case of your absence, who else would stand with the same case on your behalf? Because you're saying we did.
Thank you, our gifters. Play with the live girl, please. Thank you. Sorry, Your Honor. But Mr. Sunday, take the mic. Thank you.
Thank you so much. DCIO, I think you've not done a thorough investigation. And I think I would ask Your Honor, kindly give her time to do a thorough investigations, because everything is, she's spreading rumors to the court.
I said we are still ongoing with the investigations.
So why would you come? Why would you come to a conclusion and say, according to an outcome, depending on referring to the later investigation you've done?
So far, I didn't conclude anything, Your Honor. I said so far. I haven't concluded anything. I'm sorry.
That yes. mean you cannot take a stand with the investigation you've done so far.
Sorry.
So to mean you cannot take a stand, you cannot take a stand on the investigation you've done so far. You have
now we are still waiting for the victim to come na aseme side yake of the story and everything. That's why we are still. I said the investigation are still on. So right now,
and now what informed
whether it's Big Daddy or her, but according to the evidence that we have so far, it shows that Big Daddy amekuwa akifanya hivyo, ni tabia yake, amezoea. So
according to you,
sorry?
According to you, previous crimes amount to this crime.
Yes.
So what other investigation do you need if you think Big Daddy is a criminal, is guilty to this?
We cannot judge now to say she's guilty of this because we have summoned the victim.
You already judged.
So we want to hear the side of her
judged. Unajikanganya. Mara unasema according to what you've done, you think it's Big Daddy, and then you're saying you cannot say it.
You already mentioned.
Asha judge na make conclusion.
Na tujepeana conclusion because we still have our judge sitting there. Sisi kazi yetu ni kumalizana na investigation na tulete kesi kwa judge.
DCIO ni vizuri utuambie ni wewe na nani, because kila kitu tunasema we.
DCIO's office. We have DCI, the different departments yenye si lazima nishinde nikitaja hapa ikaenda huku ikaenda mimi nasema tu mali kesi imefika so far.
I think reasoning yako ni mbaya kwa sababu
the investigations are still on. So once the summoned Helena akikuja ajieleze na to find out hii ndio tumesikia from Helen, hii ndio tumesikia kutoka Big Daddy. Hapo sasa tutaleta all files kwa DCI, not kwa DCI, kwa our judge ndio aweze kuja from there. So sisi we are still
representing Big Daddy. DCIO, I'm representing Big Daddy. So I have everything concerning this case. You should actually, if it's about Big Daddy, you should approach me because I'm the one defending him. And I think you've not done a thorough investigation about what you're presenting to this court today. And you are actually misleading the court.
You need to come to your office as the Big Daddy's lawyer because we need Big Daddy and we need Elena at the same time.
DCIO, you need to do a good job here because I think you are acting on rumors.
Sunday.
You are acting on rumors.
According to my investigation, nimeona DCIO hakuna investigation amefanya, ni kujudge tu, anajudge ile vitu zishai happen. Hakuna investigation kwa sababu everything anasema kitu ingine anasema Helena akuje hapa. Kwani unasema kitu hujauliza huyo Helena na umejua kila kitu?
I clearly asked DCIO the question.
Right now we are using the video
you interrogated your witnesses. DCIO interrogated your witnesses.
Then DCIO nadhani hajui kunyonga ni kufanya nini kitu ya kwanza. hajui kunyonga ni kufanya nini. Ana judge na
let me explain something very fast. I watched the video, and the video actually si kunyonga. The video is that someone was sent that video. Hiyo ilikuwa kunyonga. Secondly, this you have a fixed mind. As in, since it's Big Daddy ndiye ameshaifanya hiyo kitu na kanikana, so it's him. As in, these things we've seen a lot of people doing this. Why is it only Big Daddy ndio mnamuaccuse? So it is very wrong to accuse someone when you don't have evidence. So wewe ungefanya kwanza your due diligence, ujue ni nini, and then you start mentioning names. But now you've not finished your investigation, you start mentioning names. I think that is very
okay. Na mimi naweza taka kutetea Big Daddy. Kitu ya kwanza, mnasema Ricorson case, Jason K. Alitoa wapi namba yake? It seems ni kitu anafanyanga ni vile tu aliona hiyo video akaona acha niseme. Kitu ya pili,
no. Hiyo si kunyonga. Actually, si kunyonga kwanza. It is the video was sent to someone. Umeelewa? It is not kunyonga. That one is not kunyonga. As in, it's not kunyonga. As in the previous when tuliona ni kunyonga, but this one is not kunyonga. This one is a video was sent to someone.
Kitu ya pili nauliza, ukiwa kwa klabu mbona uchukue video call na uko kwa klabu na vile pombe ni tamu? Mbona uchukue video call ati unasema ulipigiwa ukikunywa pombe? How?
Let me answer that demo on Facebook. Wewe uko kwa harakati yako ya kujienjoy, and then a friend of you calls you. Ama mtu mmepatana online akakwambia tukue friends, let us exchange contacts nini, which it happens. Kila mtu ufanya hivyo. We exchange contacts a lot.
Objection yona. Objection
wait, let me answer them.
Objection yona. This you are misleading us because...
Let me answer her. So ila harakati ya unajienjoy alafu mtu anakupigia simu, maybe ni something urgent, lazima ushike because maybe ni kitu important mtu anataka kukwambia. So kusema huwezi chukua simu ukijienjoy, that's it makes sense. No, you can pick your call anywhere. Hata kwa toilet mtu anaweza kupigia hata kwa loo na upick.
Yes. DCI, you need to act with facts and not misconceptions, because my past doesn't represent whatever I'm doing right now. Mtu akifanya kitu, okay, unasema alifanya na Sonkei. Kama alifanya na Sonkei, the case over here is Elena and Big Daddy. How is Elena Sonkei? Akifanya na Sonkei kinyo unasema alifanya. How 100% alifanya na Helena? Alikuwa hapo, did you see? As in, we need something concrete. We need the facts. We need to work with facts and functions. Bring the facts because at the end of the day hapa umejikanganya mara moja.
Please, we need a good answer. We don't need I think.
Ukisema huyo alikuwa Big Daddy, anafanya hivyo. Bring facts, tuonyeshe, tuambie ndio huyu. Ini mko na Big Daddy, huyo ndio uso yake, ndio huyu anafanya. Bring it on the table and let us buy.
Na labda Big Daddy aliyoko.
Yeah.
Na mwache kusema I think.
I'll give a good example. I'll give a good example. Mwezi Sugu tuseme ni kijiji. Huwa anaiba. Leo mtu mwingine ndiye ameiba. Huyo mwizi atakuwa hapo. Utakusema vile anakwanga huyu mwizi na ameiba na mwingine wa mwizi sasa ni pastor. So you need to bring. We're not dealing with misconceptions. We're dealing with facts. When you come over here, stop telling us about we Mutuse. We don't need that. Bring us facts. We want to deal with facts.
The investigations are on, facts. And if we are waiting for Big Daddy and we are waiting for Helena,
DCIO,
to tell us.
There's no way.
Happen. But according to the evidence that we have
first of all, you know the judge. You already judged. Ushafanya kazi ya judge already. Do you know that? Do you know you've already judged?
Cause hapa ni kama hatuna kesi, ushamaliza kesi,
Sija judge. Mimi ni kesi bado tunaendelea nayo. Tukimaliza na kesi present kwa judge. Ndio afanye uamuzi wake. Ya mimi nimesema so far mali tumefika na kesi.
Kama unasema hujajaji, unaweza sikiza before you talk before. Ndio ujue kenye ulisema.
Nimesema nini? Rudia. Kenye nimesema ndio useme nimejaji.
All this time that we've been over here, you've been saying huyo ni Big Daddy.
Nimesema according to the evidence that we have so far inaonyesha Big Daddy huwa ananyonga na watu.
How functional are the facts?
Hatukatai Big Daddy ananyonga juu hata sisi tunanyonga, lakini
nani ajui mtu anaanikanga watu online ni Big Daddy? Nani ajui hapa? Wacha tusidanganyane.
Ameanika nani na nani?
Mimi sijui.
Ile kinembe ya Nyako nani alianika?
Tunajua aje ama ni Nyako ama ni Big Daddy hatujui. Hiyo ni
vinembe ngapi tumekutana nazo huku nje?
Na vinembe zimetoka Telegram ni hiyo tu umeona?
Just because in one case or another
tunafungua kesi nyingine.
Yeah.
Yaona ni kama tunafungua kesi nyingine hapa ya.
And you can't just be calling names left, right and center when you don't have facts. Cause hii ni kesi nyingine tunafungua.
DCIO, nadhani enda tu ufanye tu investigation yako vizuri kitu ya kwanza because huna evidence na vitu zenye unaongea mimi sioni ukiongea vitu zenye ziko. Imagine
so wacha kesi bado iendelee.
Huwezi conclude na kuita mtu kinyongi na hamjai nyonga na yeye. How? Unaita mtu kinyongi hata hujui una evidence yani lazima utuletee ile kitu uko sure si kitu ya I think we think.
If I might talk, the case over here is Helena and Big Daddy. When did Sonke become Helena? Because if he did whatever tunasema kunyonga na Helena, siku gani Sonke akakuwa Helena?
Tena huyu Sonke hata yeye
because there's no day our eyewitness will become the person that the thing happened to. Na eyewitness mwenyewe kuja kusema eyewitness whatever happened to her, he needs to come up with the facts and say okay, this is what happened to me, but huyo mwenye wanasema ile hapenia ni yeye. Eyewitness inafaa witness Kenya ili happen, whatever happened, the act. Tell us how the act was. We're here because of the case of Big Daddy and Helena. So Sonke ukikuja kusema you are eyewitness to the case of Helena and Sonke, not witnessing on your own stuff. If it's your own stuff, shughulika, chukua one day, leta kesi yako pia wewe. File your own case and be like, yo, I have a case. This dude one alikuwa anataka kunyonga na mimi na nimeleta kesi yangu na this dude.
You cannot work
become your own eyewitness on your own case, because you're not eyewitnessing the case of Helena. You're not witnessing the Helena's stuff. Sababu kila kitu yenye unasema it all goes to me. Alifanya na me. We don't give a fuck about whatever happened to you. We giving a fuck what happened to Helena and Big Daddy. So bring the facts of Helena and Big Daddy. Don't bring the facts of me, because this is not your case. Oh, alitoa murija akashika. We don't care. If you want to tell us whatever happened to your case, akuonyesha murija, find a day, bring the case on the court and be like, now I'm filing because of mine. But right now, whatever I want to hear is what happened to Elena and Big Daddy. It's nothing to do with you. And if it's something to do with you, then tell us what happened to those two. Thank you, Your Honor.
Mbona hungeleta hii maneno before Helena? Utafute siku tu tuambie before Helena.
Kama ni wewe, tafuta siku, jiite meeting, tengiza kichwa vizuri, tafuta eyewitness wako, jilete. Useme leo niko na kesi yangu, Big Daddy alinifanyia hivi na hivi, alinitolea murija. Lakini leo we here because of Big Daddy and Helena. If you want to be a witness, bring a witness because of these two people. And that's all we want to hear. See you every time, me. I want to hear them. This is what I saw, this is what happened. And we want to deal with facts. Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much, Senior Counsel. Bravo, that was really good. I don't know if someone else has a submission to make, because I do believe the judge will. This is what you call a preliminary hearing. I think with the main hearing, we should be able to have the opinions of the said victim, who is Helena, and also hopefully Big Daddy. It has not been confirmed that Big Daddy is involved in this, so perhaps he will come and deny any involvement in the next hearing. But however, I think, I don't know, Your Honor, I don't know, maybe if it is time to give final submissions before we conclude. I don't know what you think. Take the mic, Your Honor. Thank you. Yeah, I think the judge has probably slept out. So guys, because it's like time difference, Your Honor, just understand time difference. So Senior Counsel, Sunday, Iningori Daimwa, TikTok, I think chairman has not spoken. Bravo, you can say your final word, and then...
I've not slept, I was listening keenly.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
This was just a preliminary hearings. We are going to arraign these people in the court.
Yeah.
It's a very big case.
Yeah.
And that's why I was listening. I'm a very good listener.
Thank you.
And
So,
this is one of the
I will
big cases.
organize with Miss Damaris. I'll find out what time she's available tomorrow.
Yes.
And also Mr. Big Daddy.
Yes, and Gidaiga and all the sorts.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah,
I
thank
spoke to Gidaiga. He does not have electricity in his house, so he's currently not able to come live. So that's why he was actually with me on the phone. So that's why he did not come today. So he may not be able to come tomorrow. But Your Honor, I think you are sufficient. You are enough for the court. I think you're okay.
I'm okay. I'm free in the weekends.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Let me mute.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. So guys, can you give your final submissions, and then the judge will say his final word, and then we close the session for today. We've been here for 3 hours exactly, 3 hours. So final submissions. I think Senior Counsel Sunday, you'll go last. So perhaps Chairman should go first, followed by Demwa TikTok. So just your final word on this case. Okay, Chairman, take the mic, please.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor, for the chance. So I've been here from the starting of the case until now. And what I've heard is that the ones who are accusing Big Daddy, there is not enough evidence. That is the first thing. Then the second thing, when you are accusing someone, you should be sure of what you are saying. So first you do your investigations, then you come here. Don't come guessing like we have seen, he has done. No, we want you to be very sure of what you are saying. If you are saying it's Big Daddy, bring the evidence that he is the one who sent the video. He is the one who is circulating the videos on social media platforms. We don't need you to come and just say, we feel or we know all over social media he is the one who has been doing that. So next time, DCIO, when you come to this court, come with enough evidence so that justice can be served. Then on the other side of Elena, I'm so sorry for what has happened. Nobody likes her nudity to go circulating on social medias. I'm very sorry for that. Then on the other side of this court, I want to congratulate you for the good work you are doing to serve justice to any person, regardless of the gender, regardless of the age, and may you continue the good work. I'm always following up until justice is served. Even Thank you.
Sorry, Chairman, continue. You were talking, but I thought you said something important that I just reacted to. If you want to say one last thing, do. I think I clapped too soon. I think I was, So if you still want to say something, yeah, thank you. Yes.
No problem, Your Honor. So I want also to say congrats to our Sunday. You have done a nice job. Ralph, you have done a recommendable job, and every person who is here are listening to what is going on this court, because in this TikTok, when we don't have somewhere we can go and table our cases, you might find out people are not living in a very conducive environment in this TikTok. So as long as we know that you can come to Lady Jacqueline and get justice served, we are good to go. So Elena, sorry for that. And the ones who are accusing the other person, Big Daddy, for what has happened, at least come with just some good evidence. So okay, you can just find another day and come and table your case about Big Daddy and the video calls. We don't know about that. But if I may ask, next time when you are coming with your case, just tell us how long the video call lasted, because you may, we can find out that you are enjoying the video call, or we are not sure, but just tell us how the video call lasted, for how many minutes, so that we see, were you interested with the video call? Because when someone calls you through a video call and you receive the call and you continue viewing what you are viewing, and you can see the person is naked, then you are also interested with the act. But when you just hang up the video because you have seen the nudity of the person, now that one is fine. So all the best to everyone and good night. Thank you.
Thank you, Senior Council Chairman. Thank you for that final submission. Dame wa TikTok, the mic is yours. Take the mic, please.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Kulingana na mimi, kitu ya kwanza ni vizuri kila mtu akikuja hapa anakuja akiwa na evidence mzuri, na ukikuja hapa usikuje na I think, ama ukuje na past ya mtu ati unasema ni yeye anafanyanga, ni yeye anasemanga, ni yeye anasikianga, ni yeye no. You have to come with something yenye kila mtu hata ukiongea anaona ni ukweli. Then another thing, Sonkei anajitokeza kwa sababu alisikia Helena mambo ilienda nini, na sio vizuri. Ungetafuta tu siku yako, ukuje na story yako, tukusikize. Kama ni ukweli, tukiona ni ukweli, tukubali. Tukiona ni si ukweli, tukatae. Another thing is, kila kitu yenye inaongewa hapa, mtu anaongea kitu yenye uko sure. Si ati unaongea kitu lakini unasema I think, nishaiona, nishaisikia. Usiwahi, don't talk according to venye unasikianga uko nje ama vile ushaiona. Ongea kitu yenye uko sure nayo na yenye unaona iko hiyo masaa yenye unaongelea hiyo kitu. Like now, kama ni DCIO anafaa ongee ile kitu anaona iko kwa saa hii, lakini si kwanza kuleta mambo ya kina Nyako. Kwa Helena siwezi ingilia sana mambo ya watu wawili, kwa sababu sijui wote ama walisikia vizuri ama kulienda nini, hiyo siwezi ingilia sana. Lakini thank you so much Mr. Sunday, umeongea vizuri, umenifurahisha, and good night. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. And thank you for your input in this entire case so far. Mr. Idingori, take the mic, please. Your final submission. Senior Counsel Idingori, are you there? Okay, so he's not there right now. So Mr. Bravo, take the mic, please. Thank you.
Once again, thank you so much. I wasn't supposed to come up here. I always follow up the program. I was down there. I didn't come here because of Big Daddy or Helena or whatever, but I came here for justice.
mi ni mwananchi, kama mwananchi, I just need justice, and whatever justice is happening, that's what we need. Number one thing I must say is about facts. Let's work with facts. If you're coming over here to say something, please make sure your facts are variable, and we're not dealing with misconceptions. Number two, if we're dealing with two people, let's say it's Big Daddy and Helena, let's not lose focus. Our focus is on these two people, Helena and Big Daddy. Sonke came over and trying to bring the focus on her. The focus is on these two people. When your day comes, we shall figure out and we shall give you that focus. Definition of words. Ukikuja hapa ka eyewitness, jua kazi ya eyewitness. Come and say whatever happened the way it happened. Kama uliona mkono ya Brown ikiguza mrija, sema ilikuwa mkono ya Brown ilikuwa ya nani, sauti ndio hii na hivi. Let's bring the facts on the table. You might be right, but just because you're losing the facts, everything is cancelled and we won't listen to you. Then plan your words, be ready. Be ready. Shughulika uko chini kabla ukuje kwa meza. Jua kila kitu. Just jua tu kila kitu. Be ready. That's all, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sina Council. Bravo. I think now it is to you, Sunday, to give your final submission. The judge will talk to us and then we'll end the court session. Thank you so much, everybody. Sina Council, Sunday, take the mic.
Thank you, Ona. I'm glad. I think people have done a good job, including myself, because defending such a client is quite. It's not easy. I will start by saying that. Now we get the wrong people behind bars because, and we get the wrong people to jail because of our DCIs. When a DCI when they don't do proper job, they do a shoddy work. They get wrong information and then mislead the court. I think that's when we get things wrong. Now, I think when we have witnesses, they should be ready to be cross-examined. Next time when they come up, they should not, there's evidence and facts. When you think something in your mind and you want to prove it to the court, make it to the satisfaction of the judge and to the audience or to the jury. Now, when we come here with rumors, it doesn't sit well, and it's defamation or a character assassination to the accused. So I think they should do their homework well, and I'm very much disappointed by the DCIO for doing shoddy work, and I think that's why she went out of court. And I'm wondering if you can accuse someone with no investigations done or proper interrogation to the witnesses, and then present a case to the court, expecting to put that person behind the bars. So I think we should do our work well before presenting any case. Anyway, I'm very grateful for this chance and for this kind of content. I will say that. And to everyone or to all the audience on board, before if we don't listen thoroughly or if we don't listen carefully, we might misquote the advocates. When you stand in as an advocate, there's so much and there's a lot that is always expected of somebody. So we might ask things thinking that maybe you are not informed, but we know what we are driving to or what we are driving at. So I'm very much grateful, I will say that. And I will say that let's keep it up and let's make it a good court. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Senior Counsel Sandy. Thank you so much. Your Honor, your final word, we sing the national anthem and then we finish for today. Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah, thank you very much, able court, Madam Prosecutor, The case has been exhausting. This was just arraignments, preliminary hearings. We not judged anything. We still need to have a court hearing to judge all these things. Since Madam Obiero did not come for Biggie, Sonke has represented herself very well. We had this senior counsel, Sandy, who was sued by Biggie, but again, he did not satisfy this court with substantial evidences. So I direct this court to be heard on Monday. Thank you, and I hope to be dropped with national anthem. Thank you very much, my able prosecutor. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you so much, Your Honor, our very able judge. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Let me just get our final song that we normally use to end. Share happy moments to drop family. All the senior counsels. This is our senior, the song we use to say goodbye to all the senior counsels. I want to say a big thank you to each and every one of you for being here. That was a really nice session. I loved it. I wanted a session where we would actually look at the facts on the table. Just 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Let me just put let me put our emblem back on. Yes, it's now back on. So I wanted a session where I was hoping we'd get a session. We'll get to literally just go through the case one piece by piece, and then hopefully we bring the accused to court at another time. So I'm going to, as I leave the court today, I'm going to try and talk to the accused. I'm also going to speak with his lawyer, Ms. Damaris Obiero. And I'm also going to try and have a phone call with the victim to see whether indeed that suggestion that it is AI, whether that is the truth, that the image could be AI generated. That is what Second Chance came and said in court today. So I want to test that theory if possible. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in court. I'm thinking that if it is tomorrow, then it will be very, very early in the morning to suit those in America. But I'll talk to Ms. Damaris Obiero, and then I will communicate this with all of you guys. Okay, so thank you, the entire TikTok High Court family. I love all of you so much. And I'm glad that we were able to have our court session back today. So I'm so grateful. So senior counsels, I'm going to play this song. Towards the end of it, you can always drop. God bless you all. Thank you for being here. Each and every one of you, Sandy, Chairman Wameru, Demwa TikTok, Dingori, all of you, so in K, God bless all of you for being here. Bravo, mbarikiwe sana.
So thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Remember to like, share, comment, and if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe and put on the notification bell so that you know every time I post a new video. So guys, thank you. I'm gonna see you on my next video. Bye.